So for this part of the lesson, I hope you brought your Hot Wheels, or you're just going to have to share and share alike. So we make a simple ramp. You'll probably have either planks, or you might have the white conduits and little cars that fit down them. So the aim is you measure a certain distance down your ramp, okay? So you could just use the meter ruler and measure a meter, okay? Or you could measure from the top of the ramp to the point at the bottom and take the whole distance down the ramp and measure the whole time down the ramp. If you are going from markers, then just use a board marker to mark where you're starting and stopping your timing, and you start the car from stationary and finish timing when it passes a point down here somewhere. Okay, you'll need a clamp stand or a stack of books will just do the job as well to make a fixed height. Okay, so we want a fixed height of ramp about 30 centimeters high. Okay, so your ramp height isn't going to change, and nor is the ramp type. So you're going to keep the surface the same and the height the same. All right. You need to mark your release point and your finish point, and you measure the distance between them with a meter ruler. You have to coordinate the release of the car and the stopwatch to time the car between the points, and you need to repeat it 3 times for each one. So we hope you get 3 cars done, 3 different cars from around the room. For accuracy purposes, you repeat it and take the average. If there's any anomalies, you ignore them and you fill it all in the next table. So here we have a set of examples. We have Chuggy the car, black car and a bus. We measured a meter down the ramp, so 100 centimeters in each case, and we got fairly consistent results. Okay, now that would nearly be classified as an anomaly and maybe should be ignored from this average. These ones here are okay and these ones here are okay. And that gave us 3 speeds. Okay, so Chuggy, the first one, was actually the quickest car. And that will you then write in your own analysis. So in the analysis here, you write down what you concluded from your results. So the analysis is looking at the numbers, and from that you're drawing conclusions. So you write in here what you concluded. And then you might think about the reasons why one went faster than the other. Maybe the heavier cars are better at overcoming any friction. Some might be more aerodynamic. Some might have different types of wheels which make them faster or slower on the track. So have a think about what might have made a difference. It's sort of more ideas than any conclusive major points.